welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Anup Sheikh and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is going to be a super exciting video. This is going to be a weekly vlog. This is the first week of March. Today is 28th of February, and tomorrow we are going to start a new month, a new week, and I wanted to start that with a little bit of motivation and what can be the best way rather than vlogging it, because this really helps me to stay motivated, and I will take you through my entire week, how I cover all my things. And one more thing, guys, I want to give a little update about my bullet journal, because a lot of you guys keep asking about the bullet journal. So I started bullet journal in the month of January. I did that consistently throughout Jan, but in February I stopped doing it. I don't know why. I think I was a little bit busy and I did not pay attention towards that. So yes, we are going to now make a new month in our bullet journal and start bullet journaling. So now I will start a new month here. I will put March, and after that we'll plan for the first week of March.
Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor, when I just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes I visualize what will come and what is past.
So yes, guys, I'm done with the weekly plan, as you guys saw in the last clip, and I'm done with planning the entire week, and I'm super happy with how I have planned that. And the month of March is definitely going to be one of the very productive month. So I'm thinking to plan the entire month. I will try to make weekly vlogs. Let's see how it goes. So yes, guys, now I will just go to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. It's the Monday morning. It's around 8:45 in the morning. I woke up just now, and you can say that clearly by seeing my face. So yeah, now I'll just go freshen up and I'll see you guys in a bit. So yes, guys, I'm freshen up now. I just made myself the breakfast, as you guys can see. I will just have that, and after that we'll start the first session for the day. So for the first 4-hour block of the day, here I am going through few lectures from the Mrunal Sir's economy lectures. This is the current series that I am going through. So yeah, guys, now I'm going to plant a tree on my forest app for 2 hours. So for the next 2 hours I cannot use my phone. So yeah, the tree for 120 minutes is planted. So now let's start the study session. But first I'll keep my phone on charge.
Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor, when I just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes I visualize what will come and what is past. But mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long, I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here.
So now I'm done with the session, and I still have around 6.5 minutes left from the 2 hours block that I set timer for. But anyways, I'm going to stop this session here itself. I was going through a question paper, and I also had the answer key with me, and I want to share something with you, like heart to heart, that I was blank for 50% of the time while solving the questions. I don't know, I was really confused the way the questions were asked, and that is a bit of disappointment. But yeah, this is the truth, and now I think from today I'm going to focus more on questions and try to see a lot of questions, try to see a lot of different perspectives to the questions, and try to solve a lot of test series and go through questions, previous year's question paper. I used to do paper analysis, but I used to not solve the question exactly. I was just going through the questions, reading the questions and moving forward. But today when I sat down to solve that, that was really difficult, and I think this is something that I'm going to focus more on. Go through a test series. I will have the answer key with me. I'm not going to solve the test series, but I'm going to go through questions. I will have the answer key with me. If I cannot solve the question, I will immediately see the answer in the answer key, search if I want to see, I will have my books with me and try to gain more knowledge by reading questions. So yeah, this is something that I'm going to do, and I think this is high time I should start that, because yeah, today was a bit of disappointment and I am really not happy with that. But anyways, better late than never. So yes, we this is something that we are going to focus more on. Anyways, let's move forward with the vlog. After that, I decided to go for a quick walk with my sister near the neighborhood just to enjoy the beautiful sunset.
Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long. I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here. So I'm gonna take my best shot. Shot out of bed into the tip top. Sitting on the edge of my bed.
After cutting the watermelon, I just kept the watermelon in the fridge so that I can eat it a little bit later. So today I have to send the notes of the giveaway to the giveaway winners. So I just wrote a small customized letter wishing them all the best for their future. So yeah, they will feel nice when they open the gift box. After that, I just packed those notes and sent them to their respective winners. So yes guys, now I just packed both the giveaway winners gifts. So yeah, this is one, and the Visionized one is a little bit bigger, so I will not lift it up and show you guys. But yeah, I have packed both of them. Now I think I need to shower, so I'll just go take a quick shower and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so now I'm going to start the first session of the day, and now I have this very nice watermelon with me, and now I'm going to watch one lecture of economics. Currently I'm seeing Mrunal sir's economy lecture, so I'm going to do that. So yeah, I'll just do that and see you guys in a bit.
And honestly, I'm fine. It's not a game that you are losing, but I'm with someone else and I'm not missing us. If I can live without you soon.
Hey guys, so a little update. I am just done with my lunch and now I think I'm going to go edit a video, because the video is supposed to be uploaded on Thursday and today is Tuesday. So yeah, I need to complete the editing. So now just to give you the study update of the day, I completed one lecture of economics, and after that I did 2 hours of history. Currently I am studying modern history, so yeah, I did 2 hours of history and I also completed one lecture for economics. So yeah, that's the study update for the day.
Make you jealous. I do better things with my time. I know you'd rather know that I'm home alone and in my bed and sleeping with someone new. Ooh, that treats me better than you did, but it's not a game that you are.
So now I was completing lectures for economics. I completed almost one and a half lecture. I did not complete the second lecture entirely, but yeah, 70% of the second lecture is also done. Anyways, now my mom is calling me for dinner, so I'm gonna go have my dinner. And after that, we have to edit a video for Thursday, so we are going to do that. Hey guys, so now I was just sitting here and going through some of the YouTube comments and replying to some of the very lovely comments on my channel. And I want to say that if you guys are sticking through the channel from the very beginning, thank you so much for all the support. And if you are a new subscriber, also welcome to the family. I love you guys so much, and I know you guys also love me. So you guys message me, you guys DM me or Instagram and saying that you really get motivated after seeing the videos. This really makes me very very happy, and today I want to share few things with you all, because you know we are family, so I think we should have that very transparent connection in between us. So when I was going through the comment section on my YouTube channel, there were a lot of comments saying that you live a very luxurious life, or you have everything in your life, and if you have such a luxurious life, you will never clear your exam, or you show off a lot, you have Apple products and everything. In this context, I just want to say one thing, guys. I have worked hard for this, and if you guys had this perspective from my videos, I want to say that I'm so sorry. I never meant to show off anything in these videos. I just want to take you guys through this journey of my preparation. and I want you guys to enjoy this journey with me, because honestly I'm enjoying my journey. And that was the only reason I thought I will document this, and this will help a lot of you guys to stay motivated. And after reading your nice comments, it really motivates me to study more, make these videos more. But sometimes there are really harsh comments, like you show off a lot, or any hate comment that is there. I do not get offended by hate comments, but yeah, if there is something related to like this, like you're showing off, or you are uh, living a luxurious life. So if you are a very old subscriber, or if you are a subscriber that is with me from the very beginning, you guys know the journey that I have been through. You have seen my old desk, you have seen my old laptop, you have seen my own bed also. So yeah, you have seen all of this, and today I'm so grateful I can have all of this. And yes, I want to say that yes, I have worked hard for this, and the only reason that I can afford a MacBook, and this is not even the latest MacBook, this is the MacBook of 2012, that is almost 9 years old. So, and that is also second hand. So yeah, I am not trying to show off anything. The only reason I am using a MacBook now is just because this is the only laptop that has a decent editing software. So I have to upload these videos every Thursday, so that is the requirement. This is the basic need for me if I want to run this YouTube channel. So this is the reason that I use this laptop, and I by no means want to show off anything. And if you guys had this perspective after seeing my videos, I want to say I am really really sorry. I don't want you guys to have this message from this video. I want you guys to love me and I want you guys to support me anyways. I want you guys to be happy after seeing this video, not demotivated after seeing these videos. So yeah guys, I just want to say thank you so much for all the supporters. I love you guys so much. So yeah, now I'm getting a bit emotional, so let's move forward. Now I'll stop recording and I'll see you guys in a bit. After that, I sat down to edit a video that was supposed to go live on my channel on Thursday.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her.
Good morning. So I did shoot my Wednesday as a completely different vlog. You will see that vlog on my channel very soon. But now let's jump to Thursday. On Thursday, I started my first session of the day at around 10 a.m. in the morning. Here I was covering Indian economics from Ramesh Singh. So here I am going through the video that was supposed to go live on my channel at 6 p.m. in the evening. I was just going through the lecture, seeing if I have any correction that I need to make to the video.
I am skeptical and critical when it's good. But this time around, you broke me down.
Now it's time to make the video live on my channel. So here I just made the thumbnail for the video, and now the video is ready to go live.
You say 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much.
Hey guys, so yeah, I'm back from cycling now, and as you guys can see this mess over here, my mom is scolding me for this. Anyways, I need to clean that, but now I am not feeling like cleaning that. So yeah, now I think I'm gonna rest for some times. And what what is this? Anyways, let it be. My hair are a mess, that I know. So now I think I'm gonna rest for some times, and after that we'll do some session for studies. Let's see what we are going to do. But yeah, now I'm gonna rest for some time.
I've never had
best expectations of any man. Got my own explanations on why I'm skeptical and critical when it's good. But this time around, you broke me down like I never thought you could. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much: I like it on this side of love. This side of love. I like it on this side of love. This side of love.
So the first thing that I had to do on Friday was that I had to go to my college and submit my assignment. If you guys don't know, currently I am a third year student in a degree college. I am pursuing BBA. So today I had to go to my college and submit an assignment there.
You're a James Dean, Steve McQueen, kinda cool. It could be sunrise or late nights, I'm always laughing with you. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough.
Hey guys, so I'm back from my college now. I'll just go take a quick shower and I'll be back in few minutes. After that, for the rest of the day, I did my regular study sessions.
This side of love, because it's right, believe me. They say the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence, but I'm good with what's beneath us. Finally, it all makes sense why he cheated and the other one walked away.
Good morning, guys. It's a Saturday morning. It's around 10 o'clock in the morning. I woke up a little bit late today because, yeah, it's a weekend. So, after getting a little bit fresh, I sat down to read this history book. This book is India's Struggle for Independence by Bipin Chandra. And this book is really helping me to gain interest in history because, yes, history is not my subject of preference. And in this book, most of the things are given in a form of storyline. So, this helps me to develop interest in history. So, I prefer reading this book on weekends. After that, at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I sat down to go through the Vision Eyes test series, and I solved this test series yesterday night. But today I was going through the questions and trying to gain more knowledge about that questions from my notes. Hey guys, so now I'm back from cycling. I guess it's around 8 o'clock in the night, and now I'm going to shoot a real-time study with me video. A lot of you guys were asking for that. I cannot go live for real-time study with me video, but I will upload a recorded real-time study with me video on my channel. I guess it will be uploaded much later. This vlog will come before that. So yeah, keep watching on the channel for that. There will be a real-time study with me video. So I'm not going to shoot that in this t-shirt. So yeah, I'll just go change, wear a very nice hoodie, and then we will shoot a real-time study with me video. I guess 4 hours or 5 hours will be fine, and I am thinking of completing 4-5 hours of study now. So yeah, as soon as I stopped recording the video, I was going to go change and shoot the real-time study with me video. The light went off, so now we have a power cut. So the light was like, okay, you want to shoot a video? I'm saying goodbye. And the light went off. So yeah, now I think we cannot shoot till the light comes back again. So yeah, we will wait till then. So finally we have our light back now. It's around 10 o'clock in the night. I just had my dinner and now it's time to shoot the real time study with me video. I think I will be doing this for around 4 hours or 5 hours. Let's see how much we can cover. So I'll just show you the setup that I have made on my desk for this real time study with me video. I hope you like the video guys, and I don't know when I will be posting that, but that will be soon. So starting from this part of the desk, I have my laptop here, I have my resources from which I am studying, I have water in this, and I have my small little plant there, and I have my notes up on the screen. I have my notebook here, and I will be keeping my camera up here on this tripod that is sitting on dabba. Anyways, this is the jugaad that we do in India. Anyways, moving forward, here I have my phone that will be capturing a overhead shot of my desk, something like this. So you will just have a look at what am I currently studying. So yeah, now I will just start shooting the real time video. This is the angle that I'm going for. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm done shooting this. So this is a little preview of the real time study with me video. This is how the video is going to be. I hope you will like that video also, and you will support that video also. And if you guys are watching this video till this end, then leave a orange heart in the comment section below so that I will know there are a lot of supporters that are watching the entire video till this end. Thank you so much guys for the support. And yeah, this is how the video is going to be. So yeah, now I'm done shooting the real time study with me video, and now it's time to go to sleep. I am exhausted guys. I'm really exhausted. So now I'm going to go quickly change in my PJs, and then I'm going to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Until then, good night. So as guys, already the video is getting very long, so I think we'll stop this video here itself. I hope you like the video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a orange heart in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.